Hey, what's up everyone? It's Blanco. It's really nice to be back here at the music production studio of Musicians Institute. This is where I graduated from the EMP program, the electronic music production program. And I'm here to show you a really cool music production technique of how to make vocal chops. I learned this technique in one of my classes. Now I'm gonna put some of my spice some stuff that I learned on the way. But yeah, this is gonna be on a session that we did with Isora. She's also an MI graduate, so come on, check it out. So well, basically what I have here is my session. This is the complete song. We already have like vocals recorded. We already have like the instrumental, like all the instruments. It's already going on. But sometimes like you're in a point where like there's something else that's missing out, and you kind of like miss that final touch. And that's why I use this technique for vocals. So basically the song is sounding like this. So we have amazing vocals by Isora. We have already the track is going on. So what I'm gonna do is in this same vocal track, I'm gonna grab like a piece of the vocal that's already edited, recorded, tuned, all of that.
Won't let you down, won't let you go.
That's amazing. What we're gonna do, we're gonna open up, we're gonna create first a MIDI track, and then we're gonna add a simpler. Here in the simpler, we're gonna drag the part of the vocal that we really like, and we're gonna have the sample here. It's gonna show us the whole sample. We're gonna go into slice mode, where I can actually slice it into transients or beats, regions, whatever. What I like to do is like on transients, kind of like trying to find the pocket for it, and this is gonna turn this vocal track into an instrument. How am I gonna play it? With my MIDI controller. So what am I gonna do is basically this is gonna turn every section of this into a note, and it's gonna sound like this. So what I'm gonna do here, I basically loop the part of the instrumental that I want to do this vocal chop, and play it with the. I'm gonna start playing with it. Don't let me go, never leave you on your own. So they're both using like the same range of frequencies. So what you can do also for this is, for example, I like a formant shifter plugin, kind of like finding other frequencies to play with. What I really like here is like also like adding some kind of like reverb, so it takes away like some grain of the chops of the vocals and make it like softer as well. Nothing too crazy. I really like this plugin by Valhalla, like kind of like nothing too crazy. So now we have her vocals turning into kind of like the synth, right, which is very interesting. So what I want you guys to hear is then you just start playing, and in all of this chaos you're gonna find something. So let's start playing with it. And just gonna record it because we're looping it. And what we have here is basically a MIDI. So I didn't like the notes that I played in the end. I didn't like these notes in the end, and probably just want to keep this part. So I just chop things out, put this together. What if I just like duplicate this for the whole chorus? We loop it, we add the vocals, and let's see what we have. So it works as like a drop kind of. So especially when the vocals are like kind of like saying goodbye to the song, like there's no many other melodies to sing, you can like and we're just seeing this as like you can edit this as much as you want. I haven't even like quantized anything, so yeah, you can actually go crazy with it. There are a lot of producers that say like the best synth is your vocals, so yeah, go and try that out. It's pretty cool.